Hey guys, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of changing DNS over HTTPS in Opera GX, which is also applicable to the standard Opera browser. Start by launching the Opera browser on your device. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the browser to open menu. Then navigate to Settings. You can also access settings directly by typing Opera settings in the address bar. In the settings menu, scroll down to the bottom until you find System section. If you're having difficulty finding it, you can use the search bar and type in DNS to quickly locate the DNS settings. Look for an option that says Use DNS over HTTPS instead of the system's DNS settings, or something similar. Check the box next to this option to enable it. Once enabled, you'll be able to choose a DNS over HTTPS provider from a drop-down menu. Select the provider you prefer. Might offer options like Cloudflare, Google, or others. The changes will automatically be applied once you select your DNS over HTTPS provider. There's no need to save, just exit the settings and your browser will start using the new DNS server. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.